Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to add GIF in Instagram comments. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Instagram app. Okay, choose any picture and any post. Okay, then tap on comment option and click on sticker option. Okay, click on your GIF option, then search your GIF, then funny. Okay, just tap on any GIF option and send. Try another. Okay, just tap, then send. That's all. To add GIF in Instagram comments, that's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.